There are 5 awareness to stop you from getting unstuck and stop yourself from running in a hamster wheel in a business. Hi, I'm Mutita Panmook, the time efficiency expert, business operations strategist, aka the time queen. So, what are the 5 awareness in the business that you need to know? First of all, self-awareness. You need to know yourself, right? Sounds easy, but sometimes we kind of not knowing ourselves, but solving other people's problem is easier. Second of all, problem awareness. You maybe need to know what is the problem in front of you so that you can encounter it and solve it. Third, solution awareness. So notice the problem, finding solution. Fourth, product awareness, product or service awareness. Do you know your product very well? Do you know the service very well? So, or your competitor's product, your competitor's service, do you know it very well enough? And last but not least, what is it that you're most aware in your industry? So these are the 5 awareness that I can assure you that once you gather this information in your hand, you can at least rest assured that you are not stuck in hamster wheel. You have enough information to run on the day-to-day operation. However, there is something missing here. You are unaware what you not know, right? How to solve that? You don't know what you don't know, and that's normal for human being. We always finding the answer. We always seeking solution for things, and we tend to find more complicated stuff into our brains. We not really sit down, talking to ourselves and reflect the thought, which is very important. Actually, all the answer is inside of you. You already aware of your situation. So my job, basically, and the way that I design my current offer, VIP Day with Mutita, is to be a doctor who diagnose your current situation. My team and I will prepare your whole business model currently to take a look at how you operate currently. So we would help you mainly 3 parts. Maybe it's not cover everything, but we would pick the part that we see the most problematic, or you may think that you need help the most. For example, in the part of branding and marketing, the part of customer journey and fulfillment, or the part of day-to-day operation and team building part. So once we're able to do that and have a conversation, then on the day, I will be a mirror to reflect. Okay, let's talk about it, like how it actually happens. So finding the same pace, finding the same awareness, and reflect the unaware to you so that you have the clarity, you're able to reprioritize where you are in this journey and where you're heading towards. Is it the right direction that you're going forward, or we have to redirect it? So that's the outcome of this VIP day. Clarity and reprioritize. That's it. Crystal clear. So I would like to invite you to join my VIP day. I know that you are the rest of the world, wherever you are. We are totally open for online. It's the whole day, 8 hours. Everything can be done through Zoom, right? This digital world. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or send us an email, support@thetimequeen.com, or check at the description below here, or just take us everywhere around here that you can see this video. So we will get back to you and we can have a talk first, whether we are a good fit or not. And if you would like our help to reprioritize and get clarity on the strategy to get back your time and also get unstuck in the hamster wheel at where you are and just go to the direction that you want your business to move forward, we can help you. So can't wait to talk to you, and anything, just reach out. See you in next video.